Hello guys, so today we are performing a DIY. So we are making dancing skeleton. So I'll tell you the things which we need for our skeleton, okay? We need some bulbs. One should be like this and one should be like this, okay? See this one? And see the bottom, and see this one, and then see the bottom. These two have some difference actually. So guys, let us start our dancing skeleton. First, what we'll do is that we'll take these small bones and then take, let's see. So take two of these. First you should keep this long pin one. Then you should keep this one in here like this, okay? Then this pin is there, right? They'll have one hole. Then you just squeeze it in. It will be locked. And see, it is dancing. Now you do the same thing on the other side. Then you just do it like this. Take one pin like this, okay? It is the same process as that one. Yeah. If it is hard, you just press it. Then it will, when it is tight, it will happen when it clicks on. Now let's take some again for the hands. See the hands. See, we need two of this and two of these small ones. First, keep this. See, you have your other arm, like this part you have, right? Here there will be one hole. Then you just keep it here like this. Take your hand, then you just keep it like this, okay? Like this. Yeah. I got it, guys. Now let's move on with another one. Guys, if this one is on front like this, it is wrong. It should, this whole ones should be back like this. That is why I am keeping them from the back. So everything is the same process. Just you should have some string to keep in the nuts. Yep, I got it. Now let's start with the legs. The big bones. This is the small bones, okay? Our arms have small bones. Our legs will have the big bones, okay? See. So now you got it. Are you? So guys, let us take another one. Keep it like this. Take one of these. Wait, I'm getting it. Huh? I got it. Is it proper? Guys, when you're doing the legs, right? Now this one is facing that side. Then this one should face that side. It should be opposite. Okay? Whatever it did just something wrong. Why is this nahi? Yep, I got this. Take this, guys. Keep it in. Got him. Finally. Just spin this in. Just spin this in. So guys, now we are ready for our dancing skeleton.